Hello students. Now let us go to the topic of the sums based on remainder theorem. Right now we have done remainder theorem. What remainder theorem says that fx when divided by x minus a, the remainder is fa. Remember that. Now here the question says that using remainder theorem, find the remainder when this polynomial x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 3 is divided by x minus 1. Now, till now, before knowing the remainder theorem, if someone asks you find the remainder, you will divide this given polynomial by this and whatever remainder coming, that will be the answer. But the same sum, if you do by the division method, you won't get the marks because here question is clearly saying using remainder theorem. So, obviously we are knowing the remainder theorem that fx when divided by x minus a, the remainder is fa. So, let start the solution with first giving the name of the given polynomial. Let fx equals to x cube minus of 6x square plus of 9x plus 3. Then, don't write then, right now x minus 1 equals to 0 implies x equals to 1. Therefore, by remainder theorem, fx when divided by x minus 1, remainder equals to f1. Now fx is this much. Now f1 is the remainder, which we can directly calculate as 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 9 into 1 plus of 3. This will be equals to 1 minus 6 plus 9 plus 3, 9 3 12, 13 equals to 13 minus of 6 equals to 7. Let us go to one more sum, children. The sum says that find the remainder when this polynomial 81x power 4 plus 54x cube minus of 9x square minus of 3x plus 2 is divided by 3x plus 2. Now clearly in solution, first name this given polynomial. Let px equals to 81x power 4 plus 54x cube minus 9x square minus of 3x plus 2. Now 3x plus 2 equals to 0 implies x equals to minus 2 by 3. Therefore, by remainder theorem, px when divided by 3x plus 2, remainder equals to p of minus 2 by 3. Now simply calculate by putting x is equals to minus 2 by 3. So I will be substituting 81 minus 2 by 3 whole power 4 plus 54 minus 2 by 3 whole cube minus of 9 minus of 2 by 3 whole square minus 3 into minus 2 by 3 plus of 2. Now calculate it and get the answer. Now let us go to the next type of the sum based on the remainder theorem. Based on remainder theorem, two questions we have done. The third question, let us take the polynomial this ax cube plus 3x square minus 3 and 2x cube minus 5x plus a. These two polynomials are given. When divided by x minus 4, leaves the same remainder. These two polynomials when divided by x minus 4 leave the same remainder, means remainder is same. Then we have to find the value of a. So let us start the solution. First step, naming the polynomial. Let px equals to ax cube plus 3x square minus 3 and let us name the other one as qx. Suppose qx is equals to 2x cube minus 5x plus a plus of a, given P4 equals to Q4. Or you can write the statement, since when this will be divided by x minus 4, remainder will be P4. When this qx will be divided by x minus 4, remainder will be Q4. I have written directly. You can write that statement and then can write given P4 equals to Q4. Now this implies P4. P4 I'll put in place of x the value 4. So I'll be getting a into 4 cube plus 3 into 4 square minus 3 equals to Q4. Now see, qx is this one. So 2 into 4 cube minus 5 into 4 plus of a. So this implies 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 64a plus 48 minus 3 equals to 64 2s are 64 2s are, yes, 128 minus 20 plus of a. So this implies this a, when I bring this side, 63a, and this 128 minus 20 will be equals to 108, and when this will come this side, 48 minus 3 is 45. This will be equals to 3, and 10 minus 4 is 63. This implies a equals to 63 by 63 equals to 1, which is the answer. Now children, if you feel uncomfortable in this method, what you can do is, first I think you have understood. Now what you can do is, you simply follow, you write px when divided by x minus 4, remainder equals to P4. Calculate P4. P4 equals to a into 4 cube plus 3 into 4 square minus of 3. This will come as 64a plus of 48 minus 3 equals to 64a plus of 45. Also px when divided by, qx when divided by a remainder equals to Q4. Therefore Q4 will be equals to 2 into 4 cube minus 5 into 4 plus of a. So this will be equals to 128 minus of 20 plus of a. So this will be equals to 108 plus of a. Make it 1, make it 2. Now given P4 equals to Q4 implies 64a plus of 45 equals to 108 plus of a. This implies a equals to 1 when you will solve it. So children, either you do that method, or method is actually same, writing the steps in, I'm writing the steps in a different order. Whichever way you follow, children, first thing is that you should understand the concept and hence follow. Let us go to the next type of the sums based on the topic of remainder theorem. The question says that the polynomial fx is equals to, one polynomial is given, when divided by x minus 1 and x plus 1 leaves the remainder 5 and 19 respectively. We have to find the value of a and b. In the given polynomial, two constants a and b are given, and hence find the remainder when fx is divided by x minus 2. The polynomial is given as fx equals to x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus of ax plus b. So So let us start the solution. It is given that this polynomial when divided by x minus 1, remainder is f5. So we will be writing given f5 equals to, f1 equals to 5. This implies 1 power 4 minus 2 1 cube plus 3 1 square minus a into 1 plus of b equals to 5. This implies 1 minus of 2 plus of 3 minus of a plus of b equals to 5. This implies, let us solve it over here, 4 minus of 2 minus of a plus of b equals to 5. This implies minus of a plus of b equals to 5 minus 2 equals to 3. That is minus of a plus of b equals to 3. Let us make it equation number 1. Also, fx when divided by x plus 1, the remainder is 19. So we will be writing f minus 1 equals to 19. This implies in place of x, let us put minus 1. So minus 1 power 4, 2 into minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square minus of a into minus 1 plus of b equals to 19. This implies 1 plus of 2 plus of 3 plus of a plus of b equals to 19. Over here 5 and 6. This implies a plus b equals to 19 minus 6 is 13. To make it equation number 2. Now 1 plus 2. Let us add equation number 2, 1 and 2. So this a and this a will be cancelled. We will be getting twice b equals to 13 plus 3 is 16. This implies b equals to 8. Now let us put the value of b in either 1 or 2. So I am putting in 2. So equation number 2 implies a plus of 8 equals to 13. This implies a equals to 13 minus 8 equals to 5. Therefore, a equals to 5 and b equals to 8. This is the first part of our question. The next part is saying also find the remainder when fx is divided by x minus 2. So now by putting a and b in fx, we will be getting the value of fx first. Therefore, fx equals to x to the power 4 minus of 2x cube plus of 3x square minus of ax plus of b equals to x to the power 4 minus of 2x cube plus of 3x square. A value is 5, so minus of 5x, b value is 8 plus of 8. Now this when divided by x minus 2, remainder is f2. Therefore, now fx when divided by x minus 2, therefore remainder equals to f2. Now f2 equals to, let us put in place of x equals to 2. So we will be writing over here 2 power 4 minus 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus of 8. So this will be equals to 16 minus of 16 plus of 12 minus of 10 plus of 8. Let us add these three. This is coming as 36 minus 26 equals to 10. Therefore, fx when divided by x minus 2, remainder equals to 10. Write the last statement. Therefore, fx when divided by x minus 2, remainder equals to 10. Thank you.